Ohm's law. Today we are discussing about the Ohm law. This law is a very important law and mostly more other aspects. Now here we start about the Ohm's law. This one is a simple and general law. Uh, when this law says whenever the current is passing through a conductor, whenever it is passing through the conductor, it is directly proportional to a potential difference. So potential difference is the energy transfer, or you can say the difference of 2 points. This law says the current passing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference, provided when temperature and other physical conditions, all other physical conditions of the conductor are kept constant, including temperature. So whenever the current is passing through a conductor, it is directly proportional to potential difference, mean transfer of energy, you can say, or the electrical charges difference between 2 points. Whenever you will draw the mathematical representation, v is equal ir, how you will actually represent this one is, you can say that the amount of current I is passing through a conductor. Whenever the current is passing through a conductor, and the potential difference between the two ends of the conductor is v, then v proportional I, directly proportional, is already we know that it's directly proportional. V directly proportional to I, unit current, v is equal to IR. Now what is our IR? Is the constant is known as the resistance of the conductor. Resistance of the conductor is a physical property of the conductor. So whenever you will see that the current is passing through conductor, it will have a difference. You mean one point to another point, there will be some difference. That difference is represented in the potential difference. So law is proven by v directly proportional I, v is equal to IR, and R is the resistance of the conductor. This is a simple and very important law. Mostly this law give you the idea about the voltage and the current, and this law concerned with MCAT, Neet, and mostly the UCAT students who are actually interested in this law is also so much important one for them. Here is one problem, numerical concern with this law. When current is Whenever the current is passing through a conductor, when current is passing through a conductor with a resistance of 19 is given, potential difference is given, it is 120 volt. Here is the resistance is 19, potential voltage is 120, and we have to find current. Formula is, we have already know about it, v is equal to IR. Here is I, because we have to find the I is equal v upon R. When substitute the value, voltage is 120 and R is 19. 120 divided by 19, the answer is I is equal 6.3 ampere. Simply you can solve this problem. This problem is important one for all kind of exams which are students are interested. Here is one more problem. An electric heater has a resistance 20 is given, and when it was potential difference between 220 voltage applied on its terminal, we had to find current passing through the heater, and so also the power rating of the heater. Two things we have to find. So when we see the resistance, voltage and current and power, we have to find. Formula v is equal IR, as we know, we are very familiar about it. I is equal v upon R, because now we have to find current by substituting the value 220 as given divided by 20 as R is also given. We have I is equal, current is equal 11 ampere. But here we have to also find the power. So what we have, P is equal VI is the formula of it. P is equal V 220 and 11. After multiplying it, we got the answer 2420. After changing into a tens power, that power will be 2.420 into 10 power 3. Or this one is the kilowatt, because 10 power 3 is the kilowatt. Now this is a simple and easier problem has been done by us. Okay, one more problem is concerned with this law. I have to find potential difference between two ends of a conductor. If the resistance are 5 and current passing through the conductor is 5 amperes. You know very well by now what's the formula. We know about it. V is equal IR, and resistance is given, current is given, here is the voltage. Potential difference, we can easily say V is equals IR. By substituting the value, V is equal 5 multiplied to 5 is given, both values are 5. 5 multiplied to 5 is 25 volts. So this one is one of the easiest problem, and now you are very well familiar with the formula, because this formula is one of the important one. Here is one more problem is seen. 100 volt bulb operate 220 volt circuit. What we have to find current. Here is a power is given, voltage is given. We can see potential difference. Okay, by substituting the value, first of P is equal I is equal P upon V. 100 upon 220 divided by it 0.45 ampere. Simply we have found the I. After it, you know that V is equal IR. We have to find R. By substituting the value V upon I we have to now found it. 220 is 0.25. What we have answer, R is equal 4.488.88. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for